Hello everyone, this is Nobuko. Today I'm at Ueno Station, one of Tokyo's major transport hubs. To be honest, I've always found this station a bit confusing, perhaps because I don't use it very often. So in this video, I'll show you how to navigate Ueno Station without getting lost. At the end, I'll also share a simplified map, so be sure to watch until the end and take a screenshot to keep on your phone. Alright, let's get started. Ueno Station is served by multiple JR lines, including the Yamanote Line, Keisei Tohoku Line, Ueno Tokyo Line, and several long-distance and Shinkansen routes. It also connects to Keisei Line and Tokyo Metro's Ginza and Hibiya lines. At first glance, the station can look quite complex. The platforms are spread across 3 levels: basement, ground, and upper level, which makes it seem more confusing than it actually is. But in reality, most travelers won't need to use all of them. The ground level platforms are rarely used by tourists, and the basement level is mainly for the Shinkansen. So, if you understand the layout of the upper level platforms and how they connect to the exits, you'll be able to navigate Ueno Station without much trouble. First, let's take a look at the main areas around Ueno Station. The best exit depends on where you want to go. Also, the area gate is rarely used by tourists, so we'll ignore it in this video. Next, let's look at the cross-section of the second floor platforms. If you want to go to the park exit, go up. If you are heading to the central gate or Shinkansen gate, go down. Simple, right? And if you want to transfer to non-JR lines, such as the Tokyo Metro or the Keisei Skyliner, you should also go down. From here, if you go down, you'll reach either the central gate or the Shinobazu gate. If you go up, you'll get to the park exit. There are not only escalators but also elevators going up. However, there are no elevators going down, so please be careful. Recently, I saw a traveler with a suitcase struggling to reach the central gate because the escalator to lower level was out of service. Alright, now let's head to Keisei Ueno Station. If you are planning to take the Skyliner to Narita Airport, this part is especially important. From the platform, go downstairs and walk through a low-ceiling passage. You'll arrive at the Shinobazu gate, so exit from there. Once you are outside, walk straight to the intersection, then cross towards the right-hand side. And from here, you can get on the Skyliner to Narita Airport. The Shinobazu gate is also close to the Ameyoko or Ameyokocho shopping street. Alright, now we are back near the central gate. From here, I'll show you how to get to the Tokyo Metro Ginza line and the Hibiya line. When looking for the subway, just follow the colored circle signs. The Ginza line is marked in yellow and the Hibiya line is gray. take the escalator or the stairs down to the lower level. Then just keep following these super signs. And here we are. This is the entrance to the Ginza line. The Hibiya line is a bit further ahead, so let's keep walking. And this is the gate for the Hibiya line. It's not that difficult, is it? The key to navigating Ueno Station is actually quite simple. Once you get off the train, just make sure you know your destination and which exit you need. If you're heading to places like Ueno Zoo or the museums, go up to the park exit on the upper level. If you want to take the Shinkansen, the subway, or the Skyliner, or head to Ameoko, go down to the lower level exit. As long as you don't mix these up, you'll be just fine. I'm going to show you two helpful diagrams now, so be sure to take a screenshot and save them on your phone. That's it all for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave us hype in the comments. See you in the next video. またね